Wi-Fi connection. Short press the power button to turn on the device. Open the download software on your computer and search for K10 to download and install. Open the K10 software, set up the computer Wi-Fi, and connect to a 2.4G network. Click on the Set Wi-Fi icon in the software, enter the name and password of the Wi-Fi you just connected to, and click Confirm. Close the software, shut down the machine, power on, and open the software. On the main interface, change USB to Wi-Fi and click Connect. A small green dot indicates a successful connection. Remember the IP address 192.168.43.44 that appears. Open your phone settings, WLAN, find the Wi-Fi that your computer just connected to, and click Connect. Search for K10 software on your phone and download and install it to complete the installation. Open the software, click on Connect, enter the IP address 192.168.43.44 that just appeared, and click on Connect. Open the protective cover, place the black card on the carving, and rotate the laser knob. After the observation spot becomes the smallest, the focusing is completed. Click to start creating, then click on the image icon, load a picture from your phone and click Next. There are 4 optional modes: monochrome, jitter, contour, grayscale. Click Next. According to the material of the carved object, set the corresponding carving parameters. Here, interval 0.05 and overscan 1 are set for better results. Move the pattern position with your fingers, click Preview, observe the rectangular path of the laser, and find the correct carving position. Click on Power on Engraving.